H6's sponsor PCBway is far and away one of the coolest in my biased and humble opinion. Designing custom PCB has never been easier. If you have an idea, PCBway can help you implement that idea and put it to practical use. Select your sizing, material, colors, quantity, quality, all in one spot. You don't have to have a factory or to start from scratch in a garage anymore. Get your idea out of your head and build something to use. Check out the link down below to get started. Hey guys, what's up? It's Matt with H6, and today I'm taking a look at Fifine's H6 headset. Yeah, I've been kind of on a little bit of a headset kick here, looking for good, nice ones. Anyways, as is usual, most people want to hear a microphone test first, so let's jump right into that with a little bit of talking and a little bit of a rejection test. Now what I aim to do here is to record this so that you can hear what this microphone sounds like and decide for yourself. We're doing a little bit of just regular talking into it. The microphone is right here. It's right here on the headset. This is the H6 headset. This is what it sounds like, and hopefully it sounds pretty good. We're going to be kind of figuring that out together because I haven't listened to the playback of it yet either, so hopefully this records well. But anyways, let's do a rejection test too so that you can see what rejection sounds like. I'll start typing on the keyboard to see how well it picks that up. Got a WordPad open. I'll try and do a little bit of talking and typing. That way you can hear what it sounds like as it rejecting background sounds as well as just typing to see if it picks up and how it picks up. Alright guys, so I'm talking right now while I'm typing, and we can see if it's picking it up really bad. It's obnoxious in the background as I type. Now I'm going to stop and I'm just going to focus on typing, and we'll see what that sounds like. And that should hopefully give you a pretty good idea. The H6 comes with an 8-foot cable, which is pretty long, pretty generous sized length cable, so that you should be able to set it just about anywhere back of the PC, route it around a desk, you know. It's a USB braided cable with inline controls, and it features virtual 7.1 surround sound as an option. It also has 3 EQ modes with an EQ mode selector on the side of it, and those 3 modes are the difference between something that offers a lot of lows, a good balance between lows and mids, and then some highs. The first one offers the flat balance between lows and mids and highs. It's the most balanced ones. I like that one personally. The second option offers a little bit more on the bassy low range, while the third one is an emphasis on the trebles and the highs. On the other side, there's a mic mute, and there's a red light indicator on the detachable mic that you can see only if you turn it or if you hold your hand up and it's dark enough you can see. I would have rather have seen a light where I could just look past my nose and tell that it's muted, but that mic mute will indicate by having a light on the microphone, and it can be selected on the side of the inline control. Other than that, you have the volume up and down. They're large press buttons, can't miss them. And going back and talking a little bit about that detachable microphone, it is very malleable. It's a metal construction design and it sounds pretty good, but it does have a proprietary cut for the insert, so you need something that's not going to be as fat as this if you want to swap to a different microphone and see if it'll work for you. The headset itself is a very comfortable lightweight at about 262 grams. Didn't anticipate that. It looked like it was going to be much heavier. It has a very sturdy feel and it's not uncomfortable at all. However, it's not fully noise canceling. It does a pretty excellent job at keeping outside sounds away and not bothersome to your ears. It's not fully noise canceling though, but again, it does a pretty decent job. My ears do get a bit warm after some moderate use. They don't stay as cool as I'd like, but they are fully circumaural, and it's a soft faux leather pillow pad that's on both the headband and the ear pads. So it's not memory foam, they're just soft pillow pads. Now the flex and adjustment of this headset could comfortably fit the largest heads with room to spare. They could probably put it on the giant of Kandahar or something and he'd probably still say, oh, it's too much, I gotta adjust it up some. When in stereo mode, the most true sounds live here. When in virtual 7.1, the soundstage feels altered as expected, and the headset does a baseline decent job of directional audio using Dolby's 7.1 virtual surround test. I felt like it was true to its attempts and true enough to qualify, but only just so. Left and right still feel like left and right to me, and 7.1 just added a few things in both left and right to create the illusion of directional audio that worked. But I think only because I was really listening for it, it didn't feel like it was as definitive as I hoped it was going to be, but still definitely achieves its attempt at 7.1 virtual surround. I hope that makes sense. I'm not saying it's bad. It's good. It's just I think I had a higher anticipation for it to be more defined. The RGB rainbow loop on the sides are on in perpetuity. They cannot be disabled, and Fifine does not have a UI software suite. All controls for the headset are handled on the inline control I mentioned earlier, as well as all of its pre-configured modes that you can swap through. In all honesty, Fifine has yet to disappoint me. The mic I'm using right now is one of theirs. I have 2 of their mics, and next I'm going to be trying out their speakers, but if their mics are any indication and this headset is any indication, I assume they will continue to not disappoint, so we'll find out. This is definitely a brand I have become quite fond of and cannot recommend enough for their quality, prices, and service. I hope it was somewhat helpful and useful to you guys. You guys have a great day, night, whatever it is. I'll see you in the next video that I do.